Welcome. This is a quick video on the law of contract. In this video, we will be covering the basics of contract law. What is contract law? Contract law is a branch of law that regulates the relationship between parties regarding their ability to enter into a contract or otherwise. A contract in simple terms can be defined as a voluntary agreement between two parties. Here, certain promises are made in exchange for a consideration. A contract can be defined as a promise or set of promises which the law will enforce. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties that creates obligations that are enforceable by law. Certain essential elements must be present for a contract to be valid. These elements are as follows. 1. Offer and acceptance. 2. Consideration. 3. Capacity of the contracting parties. 4. Intention to create legal relations. Why are contracts important? 1. Contracts protect parties from potential risks or unexpected liabilities. 2. It also serves as evidence or record of commitment in the instances where a party fails to fulfill their duties. This enables a party to claim damages or request specific performance. 3. Contracts streamline the role or duties of the parties contracting. It reduces potential disputes and enhances collaboration. A contract can be breached under various circumstances, including undue influence, misrepresentation, mistakes, among others. Where a contract is breached, there are various remedies available to a party, including damages, specific performance, and rescission or rectification of the contract. Final takeaway. Contracts involve at least two parties. Where a contract is breached, remedies may be available to an affected party.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.